Now, cotton candy is an absolute childhood favourite, but sometimes you can feel a little bit ridiculous eating it when you're an adult. So I'm going to show you how to get it into a delicious cotton candy cocktail. Let's get shaking. Okay, so I'm going to start with my cotton candy. Now, this is the perfect excuse to use this if you've just been to the fairground, you've got a little bit left over, it's mocktail time. So what I'm going to do is split it in half and almost create a hole in the middle here. And to that, I'm going to add a strawberry. You could use any fruit you want if you want to put blueberries, raspberries, anything like that. I'm going to kind of wrap it up so you've almost got this hidden surprise in the middle of it. And we're going to take this, put it into our martini glass, and we're going to leave that to one side while we get on with our mocktail mixture. So what I've got here is a Boston shaker. If you don't have a Boston shaker, don't worry, you could just do this in a normal glass, it'll be absolutely fine. To that, I'm going to add some cranberry juice, pour that in. I'm going to spice things up, a little bit of lime, squeeze that through your hands. And then some fresh orange as well. Again, give that a little squeeze. And to that, I'm going to add some ice. Cocktails are always really cold, so you want to throw loads of ice into this, and then we can give it a good shake. So knock the lid on, have it facing that way, and shake away. And it just needs about 5-10 seconds. So once you've shaken that all up, what you want to do is take this lid back off. And to this, I'm going to add some lemon lime soda. Now, if you think that's too sweet, you could add a little bit of sparkling water, or if you want to spice the party up, you could add some vodka in there. It'd be absolutely delicious. So pour that in. And then we're just going to give this a stir, because if we start to shake it up, it's going to froth everywhere and it'll be a mess. So just stir this together, just to mix that soda in there. Put that spoon to one side, and we are ready for the magic to happen. So we're going to put the lid back on, take the top off, and you want to grab this lovely candy floss that you had earlier and just watch what happens. This is magic. You're going to show up to a party and everyone's going to be so impressed. Voila! And you are left with this amazing little mocktail with a garnish already hidden inside there. So you've got to have a little taste, of course. And it tastes amazing. So when you get to your next gathering, you'll be the cocktail magician. Cheers.